Hadin hinyos ngi ba kamiglaya police kalathaw ya ka SIT lani ka special investigation team ban toket halor ka jingsha penyap u Raja Raghuvanshi bat ka jingja jong ka Sonam Raghuvanshi ki pulai kilayo kemno ya sangut ki briew ki ba lakno bagi don keti hagaban penyap ya u Raja Raghuvanshi bat ha jo ko poru ka Sonam Raghuvanshi ka ba hadu kata hadu minen lakno ba kalakja kala wan ban IT no ila dila ni ban surrender hapa Uttar Pradesh kat kum gajing kren mentasngi bat u sembut menteri rang ba gajelau ba preston tensong ringkat bat ki hek pulet ba kentup ya USP ka East Coast Hills District iba Vivek Syiem kila yathu ba kani gajing toket halor kani ka case ka beidai bat kini ki angut shi kurem ki ba lawan honeymoon ni support meglaya jingi hangte apa thain sora kalakta shipun ya ka nam jong ka jelaga jongi naba bun ki jing thobria ha beidai ba ni case henry ka jing trai shitom jong ka meglaya police kalawan ra shakmat ya kata ga jing shisha bat ha jo ko por usembot menti rang ba ga jela ulak kenturu iki pai ba bat khamtam ya kitu ki national media ki badai nakari India bakin wad ka jing shisha hashwa bakin bu ya kanu ka jing keno lani jing kentho ya ka jela ti nginang tip ba kat nang ya ki jing toket ngin setip ke ka dag wa pelong ya kini ki sangut ki briew ki ban le ya kan kam snio.
The first person who was arrested is Akash Rajput, 19 years from Lalitpur. The second person who was arrested was Shri Vishal Singh Chauhan, 22 years from Indore. The third person was Shri Raj Singh Khushwaha, 21 years from Indore only. And yesterday, Sonam Raghuvanshi, who is actually in Ghaziabad in Nanganj police station. And this afternoon, in mid-noon, we had arrested Anand Kurmi, 23 years, in Basahari village, Sagar district, Madhya Pradesh. Team is heading there. 2 teams had gone on the 8th and the Sunday. The raid was conducted yesterday along with UP police and Madhya Pradesh police. The third team is on its way to UP to actually cause arrest of Sonam.
The arrest happened last night at around 10 o'clock night time. Then in due course of time, again the second one, the third one, and the latest one happened this morning, as rightly mentioned by our SP, Mr. Vivek Syiem. That is the last one, and in between of that again the lady, so-called wife of late Raja, again surrender herself to the nearest police station.
These people committed the crime on the 23rd and had left this place on the 23rd. That time we didn't know whether it was murder. We were looking for them, looking for tourists who actually probably would have been lost. We looked at people who are missing. It was still a missing report. No body was found. Body was found only on the 2nd. That's when SIT was formed and investigation started.
The real issue here is to nab the culprit, the suspects. So now we have done that. The first phase is completed, and now the second phase is just started. And please be patient, wait with us, and I'm very sure all the truth will come out in course of the investigation.
Okay, SIT just didn't go there and look for suspects. SIT went down there with firm evidence and knew who the culprits were. You know what? After doing a lot of homework out here, they went there, and with the help of our counterparts, we arrested. It's not that took a shot in the sky. It was a lot of substantial evidence, a lot of ground spade work was done. See, if we connect the dots, preliminary investigation will indicate that that's how this whole motive and crime was unearthed. Because when we actually had connected the dots, it was actually Raj Kushwaha with Sonam. So when they come here, that will be confirmed. At this juncture, I will not be able to say what exactly is the motive, but it indicates towards that. I can tell you now that those 3 people who had come up with them are the same people, yes. See, if you look at the logical sequence of events last night, all these days, Sonam was underground. People also had gone underground. And yesterday when the operation started, suddenly she surfaced. What I'm going is just by the bare facts of the case. Who's involved out here? Where did she go? That will be just the bare fact. We'll go by the evidence of the case and go by the facts of the matter. Whether she was in touch with anybody, that will be when the investigation starts properly, when she's brought here.
The alleged boyfriend Raj is also Sonam and Sora, or?
No. What I can see out here is that Sonam also is a prime accused out here. Well, the major challenges was in fact searching the body first, because of the moment they went missing, torrential rain started. The kind of terrain we have out there also is not easy. Then to top it off, what sir was saying, is we need probably more robust record keeping, CCTVs. We didn't have any of that, so that was very, very challenging. Like I said, in fact, when we actually had done the inquest, we saw that there were sharp wounds on the head, and autopsy report from Nidrins has indicated that there were two sharp cuts on the head, one from behind and one from in front. Yes, Akash, Anand and Vishal Singh Chauhan, they came to Shillong.
From the government side, we were so deeply hurt when we saw so many comments made in the social media, in the national news, treated Meghalaya as a den of criminals. So it's really hurt for us. But I just personally take it that, okay, maybe out of emotion, out of desperation, maybe they could not control themselves, then maybe they just talk without any sense at all. But let me tell you one thing, Meghalaya is very safe. Our police force also is one of the best in the country. I think you have seen it, we have proved it. And not only that, I think you remember it correctly, I think 15, 20 years down the line back, you knew it, the militancy, how we handle things. Our police is one of the best. I'm telling, we don't need army. We don't need any forces from the central government. But we handle it ourselves. I think you have seen it, the history. So therefore, what I would like to appeal to every person in India or outside India, please don't take this news, be it in the social media or in the mainstream of national news and state news, because it is not at all a fact, and Meghalaya is safe. And right now also, I should say, the tourists are flowing into Meghalaya on daily basis, and I'm very sure through this operation, the successful operation made by our police force, will further encourage others to again keep visiting Meghalaya and Shillong.
There are certain people who actually, out of this event, have actually given very hurtful statements, communal statements against the local people out here. We have taken that into cognizance, because there are people from here who are studying outside also. Some people said, let us harm the community from here which is outside. I would like to tell you that we have taken a sumoto case against that person. Another FIR also has come against people who have given false propaganda. I urge, in fact, at this juncture, when we got this, in fact, from the day one only, the narrative from the complainant, from other media also from outside, was that, it is that Meghalaya police and the district police was not doing anything. But steadfastly, we did our work. We did our work from day one, searching and investigation also. And in 7 days record time, we had done that. And we had proven it otherwise. Don't make judgments, don't come to conclusions, come to facts from us, then give out. A lot of people were making that speculation, so it was rife with speculation. It was people were spinning yarns about, and that is not right.
Once we bring them to Shillong, I think I would request even the family of Sonam to come, give your statement, justify whether she is innocent or not. I think that is the only issue. So right now, I don't want to say much on this, but I think anybody, not only the relative, anyone who wanted to give the statement, we are open once this investigation starts, inshallah. But nginang penklan susu kawai na ka mekanism ka bangingi ngidon menta kalong ka MRSSA ya kane na mangila ay bor haki bor snong haki bor tau kumangong ki hadu ki homestay ki hotel paro ki jakasa ngila ay construction sa paro lani ki trying ki trysem la kalong ha shlong lani sa bar shlong ki basawai ba kin penbiang ya ki kot ya ki sla ya ki certificate jong ki tu ki briew ki bawan kadang ba kumo pila dadon kum ki tu ki jaj briew ki bawan la se dak jingmut ka basniu ngin yo kham kloy ban kem la ni ban le AA ban ya da ya ki jing ko ban jia hadin habun kum ka tu ki jing jia ko piong pia sosun ngaso ban ong bangi hapan a ki jing ro ya ka police force ka jogi ka batang hadin kan no ka tu kan por nglayo ban kem ban lawan ra ru ya utu rus neu shani na ka benta ba ka an kan sim ya karai ka bakadu ang atai ka beneng kong ai ka jubab ka ben ai ka long baka kine ki de kita ki rus neu kini ki saumut ki bri kem bat sanmut bat katu ka lok jong u leit raja ngilap baki de kini ki rus neu bat kini ki rus neu ru ngala ban ong kim de nang ne jela jongi ki de ki benang te na ba jong ke jela ka jongi ngatrai kitu ki bekret kitu ki ba I news lapi ong ka national le la ka north east le ne kat badai le ne haki social media ngatrai ka ne hi kan jubab ya ki ba plan ka ne ka jing jom kerke joki ban ai ka conclusion ban ong ba ke jelam negala ka di ka pasniu le ne ka bom singan ka bamut maki hi kin sya kenok kala ba pleng kane ka bangin le ran kala mangi kum kita ki social media le ne kum kita ki news ki well established news kiba let's say kiba juai ya kata ka kubor syakleng jok rindia jongi nakapor syakapor te ka ba ar patru nakaliang jongi ko men ngin sape kumla ongi SP mene kidon katwane ki ba teng i ki ba ka narrative ka ba ki ai maki kal along with too personal ka ba along palat kumni kita ngopi nginem spare ha ka ba katu kanetli ki FIR nakaliang jong ka police department kalale